They say you're only young once, but we live for it, we die for it, we live for forever. They say you're only young once, but we live for it, we live for it, we live for forever.
Hey guys, I'm checking in with you. Today is a Sunday. It's a very busy day for us, so I am just having a quick wrap here, and it is one of those low carb wraps, so please forgive me, but it's one of those days. So I have some pepper jack cheese on the bottom. I have some mayonnaise. I don't know if you can see the pepper jack cheese, mayonnaise, roast beef, tomato, and some of the mixed greens, and also 2 dill pickles. And this is going to be my lunch, and I am going to have some dinner tonight. But like I said, it is a very busy day for us on Sundays. We have 2 church services, so just trying to get it in when you can fit it in. That's how I feel about it. So I will check in with you guys later. I'm very sorry this will be a very short video today, but I will see you guys later. Hi there, hey there, hello guys. Checking in with you today. Just got home from church. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Don't know if I already said that earlier, but anyway, I do daily videos. Don't forget to hit the bell notification. What I'm going to be making tonight, again, it has been requested of Mexican chicken. And I know you guys have seen that recipe many, many times. Look at my cat. Ain't he cute? That's Rupert. I think I introduced, well, I put his name in there before. That's Rupert. And if you see that on the wall right there, that's where he constantly jumps up on the little panel. So he's kind of like scraped all the paint off the wall. And anyway, that's my cat Rupert. And I got another one, Star. But yeah, he's a big boy. Anyway, I'm going to be making the Mexican chicken again. And I thought, well, I've already showed you guys that. And I've already showed you my vegetables. And I showed you my cheese. And I've showed everything like that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make some guacamole. So I thought I'd go ahead and show you my recipe for making guacamole. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Put that in the refrigerator and see what's happening. So I don't have any fresh lemon or lime, which normally I would use lime juice, so I don't have that. So I'm going to be using just lemon juice. My husband had a kidney stone, and I was listening to Dr. Berg, and you can find him on YouTube, amazing. But anyway, he had said that you know, cranberry juice and things like that is good once, you know, you already have it, in order to help it. Or no, to prevent it. But once you have one, lemon juice actually goes in and breaks it up. So I bought him that, and I'm going to use that. And I do have some tomato here that is left over, and my avocado, and I'm going to do an onion. So guys, pray for me that the avocado was good. I do not want a repeat performance of every avocado that I've ever had. But I have about 5 more in the basket here that's waiting to be done. So anyway, I'm trying a new little setup here for my camera, so I'm hoping that that's a little bit better for us. But I'm going to go ahead and make my guacamole, and I'll show that to you in just a second. Okay, guys, I'm just coming in with my guacamole. And right here, I probably have I can't even tell you how big of a piece of onion that is, but I'm just going to use that little bit in my guacamole. So please do not make fun of the way I chop anything. I am in no way a chef. I don't profess to be one at all, but I'm just going to take this little piece of onion, cutting it up very, very fine. And I probably am not even going to use this whole piece, but I'll put the rest of it in the actual fajita vegetables that I'm going to make. And if you hear that in the background, sorry, my husband is watching TV, so sorry about that. And I know that sometimes people really like a smooth guacamole. And me, I like it kind of chunky. I like to see exactly what is going into my food. So I prefer it a little bit more chunky than that. But that's my onion here. Let me get my little bowl out. I know there's tons of recipes on how to make guacamole, so I'm not teaching you guys anything you don't already know. But it's just very simple, and I don't put a lot of stuff in mine. But anyway, got some onion there. This is part of a tomato that I had in the refrigerator, and I'm going to use the rest of it in the vegetables tonight. But I'm just going to go ahead and put this in. And I hope you guys were praying for me about my avocado. I'm hoping it's going to be a good one because I've had so many bad ones. I'm not looking forward to that. Okay, so there I just have tomato and onion in here. And let me find my avocado. Okay, guys, so I hope you're praying. We'll cut it open here. Hold on 1 second. If this one isn't good, I might have to pull out one from my other stash over here just to see, but let's see if I can get you guys to see too. Did y'all see that thing where some country, they don't allow people to do avocado because of all the people who cut their hands wide open? So I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's good. It's good. It's good. I'm happy. I'm very, very happy. Okay, awesome. So what I do with this is really, really simple. Just watch your hand when you do that because the knife can go through it. But I'm just cutting it into little cubes to make it easier to mash. And put my little bowl there, and then I just scoop it out. And like I said, I'm sure you guys know how to do all this. I'm not teaching anything. But I'm very excited that that avocado wasn't bad. Okay. So, the whole thing is gone. And I know that I've seen some people take their knife and go into the pit and bring it out, but I haven't been able yet to do that. So, maybe I don't have a sharp enough knife or something, maybe. Anyway, there's your pit. And also, I've seen people who plant these. I don't know how you do it, but you can plant it and grow a whole avocado off of it. Or avocado tree, I would assume. I don't know. So, same way that I did with the other part. Just going to cut it into chunks. And again, that's just so it makes it easier for me to put it out into my bowl. Okay. Okay. So that one's clean too. Now, I do put some seasonings in mine, but first I need to put some lemon juice. In case you guys don't know, avocado turns very, very quickly. So if you add a little bit of acid to it, it stops it from turning brown. So just put a little bit. And I have some black pepper that I've already grinded here. So let's put some black pepper in it. And then of course you need salt. And normally I would even throw like some cilantro in there, but I don't have any, so just a little salt. Okay, and let me see if I can get this to where I can mix it up. Just a little. I had to move the camera up a little bit. I'll probably end up having to get me a fork just to mash it. Yeah, let me go get a fork. Okay, so I'm back with my fork. Oh yeah, that's gonna work better. I've even taken an immersion blender this stuff before, but I found that that really made it like extremely too smooth, and I like chunks. So that's going to taste really good in that chicken that I'm going to make, and I am putting it in the air fryer. And I bet people are thinking, oh, she can't cook, she just throws everything in the air fryer. That's not true. I cook a lot of stuff, but I really like the air fryer, the way that makes the chicken, because it makes it really crispy and it's amazing. But anyway, so there is my chunky guacamole. So very simple, very, very tasty. Oh yeah. And I don't care to eat out of this because my husband doesn't like it. So it's just going to be me eating this, but I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of my meal ready. So yeah, I'll show you my finished product. And I noticed that I keep showing you guys pictures of, hold on, let me turn you up so you can see me. Okay, there I am. And I noticed that I, keep showing you guys pictures of what the chicken looks like in the air fryer, and it doesn't always look appetizing. This time I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the air fryer and show you. Because what ends up happening with it is that the chicken sticks to like the bin on the bottom, and you're not really seeing the chicken and how amazing it actually is. So, but anyway, guys, isn't that amazing? Look at that. How can you say you can't lose weight eating like this? Because I'm telling you, this is, it's amazing. And yes, I've already calculated my macros for this, so I'm going to eat this whole thing for the fat. That's unbelievable, guys. Seriously. If you never made guacamole, just try it. And let me know down below. Let me know down below how it ends up turning out. I do check all my comments, and I do respond to them all too. So, if you don't like guacamole, what is your favorite thing? What's your favorite thing to put on fajitas or any kind of Mexican food? I'm not big on sour cream. I know some people love sour cream. I'm not one of those. So if you're a sour cream person, let me know that. I'm going to go ahead and get off here, fix my chicken, and I will check in with you guys later. Bye. Okay, guys, so that is the chicken out of the air fryer. And it looks so good. I can't wait to eat it. And I thought I'd just show you I have some, most of this is just bell pepper. But I do have some onions in there too. Bell pepper, onions, and some tomato. And that was just fried in salt and pepper and oregano. And then I also have some of the cheese sauce. I don't have a lot. I gave the majority of it to my husband. But let me get that. One second. Okay, I went and got my guacamole, and that's one of the reasons also I didn't get a lot of the cheese sauce, is because I knew I was going to be having the guacamole. So let me just go ahead and put that on. And yes, it is a lot. How good does that look, guys? I'm so excited about this. Okay, guys, so that is going to do it for me. I am going to go and eat. I'm so glad that you came to my channel again. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please also share this video if you have anyone interested in the keto lifestyle and want to know easy, quick ways of making food and sustaining yourself. I can help them. Also, if you have any questions for me, please leave them below. Let me know, do you like this kind of stuff? Do you like the chicken and the Mexican cheese and the tomatoes and the onions? See, I had a horrible time giving up Mexican food. Who doesn't love a good Taco Bell? You know, tacos and enchiladas and quesadillas and all that stuff. You know, you can still have amazing food like this that's keto. So let me know some of your stuff. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. But anyway, thanks for checking in with me. I'm going to go ahead and eat this wonderful bowl of goodness that I've made for myself. So I will see you guys later. Take care and keto on.